Good morning. It's Monday, a little after 7, and looks like it's gonna be a chance of rain today. That's what they say. Hopefully, we'll get some stuff done. Morning, piglets. Don't sound like you're gonna get some different food. Eat that grass, eh? Use some alfalfa later on. Let's go through a lot of hay, just found some more alfalfa and grass. Had quite a bit left in there last night. It cost me a fortune to feed. Morning, Harold. Always looking for some food, aren't you, buddy? Yeah. Good pig. Well, we're seeing only gets so much, and we just has to hand milk her the rest of the way. Now it's around 9:30. Most of the rain clouds got pushed away from this wind we got. This wind's kicking. I was checking the water for the pigs. They still got plenty because it's a little cold today. Warmer it is, faster they go through water. I gotta get my eggs out of the barn and get them up to the house and packaged up. Got some friends needing some eggs today. Alright, the girls aren't happy about the wind. Rhode Island's pretty loud. What's all this noise out here? Should be laying eggs, not making noise. Got my eggs, now I go change the water. It's a sprinkler mode. It's nothing like water in the wind. Just trying to keep this lane here dry. I'm back from town. Now I'm down here to feed these animals. And then plus top off their waters. Happy pigs. We're okay, moody pig. Little girl gets into eating. They love the alfalfa. They love to eat, but they love alfalfa. The joy of summer. It's hard to fill a pool up when you're letting all the water out. Everyone has water now, and some have mud holes to play in. Those three big ones have a pool to play in too. I'm looking at my hose here that Doodle keeps playing in, and I think it's time for a new one. It's leaking like there, well, there. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's quite a few holes right here. I keep on the lawn using this hose. Anyway, I've had this one since like 1999 on our farm, and it's got plenty of use out. This is a Sears Craftsman hose. I have one more like it, and then I have two that look like it, but they're newer Craftsman hoses, which are still probably 15 years old. So those are not very good. They're full of goat head holes. These other hoses were a lot better. This has to be the windiest July 1st that I can remember. It's nuts. It's been this way all day. Started off cold and cloudy, looked like it was going to rain, and then the wind picked up, blew the clouds away, and it's been getting stronger all day. Crazy. Well, I got a few apples here on the apple tree. That's good. This tree's pretty old. Should be a lot bigger, but this soil is just terrible. Nothing really likes to grow other than weeds and elm trees. Haven't got much done out here because the wind's been blowing like crazy. Got some of the shop cleaned up. Well, the wind tore down my tarp for the shade for the chickens. Well, the pigs got their grain. This wind is really aggravating. This is Milk Bella for the evening milking. And we'll be finished being down here for today. Well, I want to thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening.